Alright, so you're gonna need three files. This is for both your main PC and your virtual machine. This is for your virtual machine, and for AMD users, this is for your main PC. NVIDIA users have a method. I will leave a PDF file in the description below that has this method there. But for now, you can read that for more information. But this one is for AMD users. So just go there, read the description, then we continue. Read the description, read the PDF for NVIDIA users. But for AMD users, continue watching. So once you got VMG Bus installed on both PCs, you're going to want to do something. So you're going to want to make a folder, and you can name it shared folder. This is where you put your Moonlight exe so it can go on your VM. You can, as I said, I have Sunshine in here. This is just an example. I've already installed Moonlight on my main PC. So once you've done that, once you install Sunshine, it's gonna set up a setup process, and it's gonna show a sort of an icon that tells you to enter a username and password, sort of creating an account. So you're gonna want to enter anything for that, and it could be 123 123. Just remember it. All right. So install. So after you get that done, you can send Moonlight to your VM. I use VMware. To access a virtual machine on VMware, you're going to go to Manage, Virtual Machine Settings, Options, Shared Folders, click Always Enabled. And you're going to click Add, Next, Browse. So you're going to want to find where or what file folder you created. So for me, I already put it in there, but I'm going to just use this something random as an example. Windows 10 cache. No, that's the virtual machine. I don't want that. We're going to use tests, okay? And we have tests here. The name is test, next, enable share. In order for your share folder to show up, you're going to want to click this, map as network drive in Windows Guest, and okay. So in your virtual machine, once you open your download folder, it should show up. Wait a minute. VMware share folders. Yes, there it is. Test is right there. It's an empty folder. I have nothing in it, but I have shared right here, and Sunshine is in it. But you don't want Sunshine here. You're going to put Moonlight instead, because as I said, this is just an example. I already have Moonlight on my VM. I don't need it. So once you've done that, you're going to install Moonlight, and you just go through the setup process and install it as you would. Once that is done, you're going to want to configure it. So you're going to go to Settings, and you're going to set a custom resolution, 480 by 360, custom FPS, 10 FPS, a low bit rate, display mode should be Windows, or you can just, instead of just listening to me, you can just copy my settings here. Just copy them right here. Alright, once you've done that, you're going to back out. Go back to Sunshine. You should, after you enter your password, enter your username, password, it should bring you to this page. You're going to want to go to Configure, Audio, and Disable Steam Audio Drivers. This should make sure that the audio on your main PC is not muted. Once you've done that, on your Moonlight, it's going to show a lock here. For me, it shows nothing, but for you, it will show a lock. And you're going to want to click that lock, and it's going to tell you to enter a pin. And you're going to want to enter the pin in Sunshine. Like, it has a pin section, which you want to enter that pin here. And yeah, it's going to give you a pin from Moonlight. And you're going to enter the pin here. And once you've done that, it should share just fine. So once all that's done, once you've paired it and everything, you're going to want to add your mouse and keyboard to the VM. I've already done that. Removable devices. This is my keyboard. This is my mouse. You connect them. And I ran reWASD. So reWASD is now running. reWASD is now running. I can change my config. I can move my mouse, do whatever I want. Right. So once you've done that, you're going to click on the Windows, your Windows version. And you can't, I don't know. Like, the guide said that a game should show up here, but it didn't show for me. So I just normally just do desktop. So switch back to your main mouse. Once it's going to start streaming. So it's going to start streaming your game, streaming your input. So my advice here is to, as you can see, this is my 502. This is my 502 that's moving. This is not my main mouse. This is my 502. My main mouse. So what I would suggest is minimizing the moonlight window. Alright, that's if I should go to like say I want to play a game, like say I want to play Apex, right? I'll launch Apex. Alright, we are in Apex. So if I should click the hotkey on my keyboard that's connected to the VM, as you can see, it swapped over to controller. And the delay isn't, I'm not really feeling that much delay, but it's alright. So now you can actually play the game on controller and have your aim assist and everything. And the fun part about this method, my internet is giving out. The fun part about this method is, unlike with the net input method, you can actually loot boxes easier. Like I just swapped over to M&K while looting, and escape doesn't close anything. Yeah, so that's it, and it works flawlessly. This may work for modded COD too. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah. There you go. M&K back on reWASD. Someone complained that no, let's not include that. So yeah, that's all. If you need help, I will leave the description of the guy who made this guide, so you can just join his Discord and ask for help. Peace.